Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Google Docs to Gmail integration with AI Drafts step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Gmail. Log into your Gmail account with your credentials. Once you're in Gmail, locate the Google Apps icon in the top right corner. Click on the Google Apps icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Google Docs. In Google Docs, open the document you wish to work on or create a new one. Now, go to the Extensions tab in the top menu bar. Hover over the Add-ons option in the drop-down menu. If you have Google Docs add-ons installed, a list will appear. Look for the AI Drafts add-on and click on it. If you don't see the AI Drafts option, click on Get Add-ons to install it. In the G Suite Marketplace, search for AI Drafts. Once you find it, click on Install and follow the prompts to add it to your Google Docs. After the installation, return to your Google Docs document. With your document open, go back to the Extensions tab. Navigate to the AI Drafts option again and click on it. This should now restore the AI Drafts integration with Google Docs. You can now start using AI Drafts to generate content within your document. Type a prompt or request to generate a draft. Review the generated content and make any necessary edits. Save your document to keep your changes. Return to Gmail when you are ready to use the draft. Compose a new email or reply to an existing one. Copy the content from your Google Doc. Paste it into your Gmail Compose window. Your Google Docs and Gmail integration with AI Drafts is now restored and functional. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.